And welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to send money from Samsung wallet to your cryptocurrency account. The first step you need to take is open Samsung wallet on your Samsung device. Then log in with your Samsung account if prompted. Next thing you need to do is to select send money. Tap the pay tab at the bottom, choose send money or transfer. Then next thing you'll do is to select two cryptocurrency wallets. May also appear as crypto or digital currency. After that, you paste your crypto wallet address, ensure it matches the correct network, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you scan the recipient's QR, or you can scan the recipient's QR code if available. Next thing you're going to do is to enter the amount. So type it in your local currency, and then Samsung Wallet will also convert it to crypto. Double check the wallet address and amount, then tap send and authenticate with fingerprint, PIN or Samsung Pass. Then you have to wait for confirmation. The transfer may take about 2 to 5 minutes depending on network congestion. You get a notification once it's completed. Please note that Samsung Wallet now supports direct crypto transfers without third-party apps. Always verify the wallet address before sending because there's no refunds for wrong entries and fees may apply, and if this goes so, it will be shown before confirmation. Hope you found this video helpful.